Hi guys, in today's recipe we are making cucumber salad. Let's meet our ingredients. In this recipe I can say the main ingredients is the cucumber. I'll be using the English cucumber because the reason I'm using this is that the skin is very soft, which makes it very perfect for this cucumber salad we are going to make. So we are going to go ahead and cut this cucumber into smaller pieces or any size you feel like cutting. I'm using one English cucumber. When we are talking about fruits and vegetables that are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, the first thing that comes to everyone's mind is orange. Yes, orange is very rich in vitamin C. Everybody recommend it. The doctor recommend orange. And there are other fruits that are also rich in vitamin C, also vegetables that are rich in vitamin C as well. Mostly vitamins and nutrients. They are very, very rich. Sometimes if I ask you which fruit or vegetables, you first of all think about oranges, carrots. Do you also know that cucumber are also rich in vitamin C? So let's put this in a bowl. So we'll start with our other ingredients. I'm going to add my cut cucumber in the bowl. Since our main star ingredients is our cucumber, you can decide to add something to make it sweet. So I'll be using one apple on this salad recipe. This will give our salad an extra flavor, like extra sweet, that is natural, that you don't need to add too much artificial into it. Something very natural, which is your apple. That is small. I like my a little bit small because my cucumber earlier is just in a medium size. So I'll be adding carrot as well. So as I said earlier, carrot is also rich in vitamins. So I'm adding carrots. I'll just add this freely. Doesn't have to be a perfect shape. All your vegetables and fruits don't does not need to be a perfect one. So we'll be using tomatoes as well. Tomatoes is also rich with vitamins. You can use a cherry tomatoes or Roma tomatoes. As far the tomatoes is very ripe and rich, that will help your salad. I'll be using one onion, but not fully since I am not making too much salad. I'll be slicing like 2 to 3 slices of the onion. I just want it randomly. Sometimes you can decide to slice it smaller if you don't like that big chunk onions, just the way I'm doing in my salad. But also you'll be needing something like a protein to it. I'll be using boiled egg. I'm using 2 hard boiled egg into the salad. You're not going to add the boiled egg immediately when you are mixing your salad, when you are preparing your cucumber salad. This salad recipe is very easy. It's an easy cucumber salad recipe that you can add together. Perfect salad. This cucumber salad is very easy to put together. You can add more ingredients to it. You can reduce the ingredients as much as you want, as far you enjoy all the nutrients. These are very simple ingredients to put together and it's very rich with nutrients and very rich with flavor. To go ahead and add quarter teaspoon of vinegar. It's just so if you don't want a dressing, this is a perfect way to eat your salad. It's perfect and it's ready if you don't want dressing in this salad. But if you want to be like me, I like dressing a lot sometimes in my salad. So it depends on how the spirit leads me. So at this time, I'm going to show you with the dressing. So I just stir it with the vinegar. You can also use lime juice for this. It's optional, but I prefer the vinegar aspect of it. Then I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. So this is what I'll be using for my dressing. I'm using 1 tablespoon. Not, I don't want it to be too much. I just want something light, not so heavy. So stir everything together with your vegetables, fruits and vegetables for your salad. Take your time to mix your mayonnaise with your salad. You don't want some parts to not have your cream. You want it to be fully dressed, so you have to stir it properly. So that is the reason we are not adding our egg earlier. So you have to leave the egg behind. So at this time, I'm going to go ahead and add the egg into my salad and combine. This time you don't have to mix it so much, just have to stir it gently just to combine your egg with your salad. Sometimes all you really need is something very simple, healthy and full with nutrients. You just want something very light to eat. This salad is a perfect recipe for it. After combining your ingredients, cover this, like wrap it with transparent wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. 30 minutes is perfect. You just allow it to be very chill. If you don't really want it to be cheap, you can just go ahead and serve your salad and enjoy your salad. With just the combination of few ingredients, you get that so delicious cucumber salad recipe. It is very easy to put together and it's very tasty. You can also eat with any side dish that you prefer with this your salad. I really enjoy mine. You are going to be amazed with the taste of this salad recipe. I'll put it after 30 minutes in the refrigerator. I'm going to go ahead and serve this cucumber salad. As you can see, it looks very inviting and it looks very tasty. Are you going to be trying this my cucumber salad recipe? Please let me know in the comment section. Once you try this recipe, please feel free to leave comment and let me know the updates. I hope you guys love this salad recipe. Please do not forget to share this recipe. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get update of my latest video. Do you want to see more adventure of my recipe? Please follow me for more. I hope to see you next time. Stay safe.